everyone, welcome back to our channel AppleWiz. In today's video, we're going to see how you can set up Truecaller on iPhone. Well, it is a very easy and simple process, so let's dive right into it. So the first thing that you'd have to do is make sure Truecaller is installed on your iPhone, and after making sure that, you can simply just open the app. And right after opening it, here you can see there is the option of next. Simply just tap on it and again tap on next, and then finally tap on get started. So after you've done that, if you have already used your number for Truecaller, you can simply just get this type of welcome back option and simply just tap on continue in order to continue with this number. But if you want to set up the new account, or if you haven't opened any kind of account with your number, you can simply just tap on use another number. And after you've done that, you can simply just type down your phone number right here. You can also select the country right here. And after you have typed down your numbers, simply just tap on continue and tap on confirm. After you've done that, you can simply just tap on agree and continue. Since this is just the privacy policy and terms of service of the app, simply tap on agree and continue. And after doing that, a OTP will be given to your number. Here you can see Truecaller has sent me a OTP on my WhatsApp. So simply just tap on copy code and go back. And right here enter the OTP just like this. I'm going to paste it. And after you've done that, you can simply just type down your first name and your last name of your Truecaller ID. And after you've done that, you have to now type down your email address. So after you've done that, simply just tap on continue. And after doing that, tap on choose and then tap on allow. So if you want to enable notifications of Truecaller right now, you can simply just tap on enable, or if you want to enable it later, you can tap on maybe later. I'm going to enable. For now, I'm going to tap on enable. So after doing that, simply just tap on allow. And now Truecaller will be able to send you notifications. So after you have created your account, there will be 30 days of free trial. After that, you will have to buy subscription for your Truecaller. So simply just tap on the intro sign that you can see right here. And after you've done that, you are all set. Here you can tap on your profile just like this. And here you can see your number, your name, and everything is right here. And this is how you can set up Truecaller on your iPhone. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.